Hey there, Daniel Lee with Windura, and now that you've had your windows and doors for several months, I want to share with you my number one tip on how to make sure you get your money's worth. So come on with me and I'll show you. Okay, so what I want to show you is two places in your home that most likely you're losing energy in and out. And so the first place is if you've got any type of window treatments, plantation shutters, blinds, that's hiding your open windows. So come and look at this example here. So this is probably like many of a bathroom that you're not in every day, covered by some sort of window treatment. If you come in here closely, zoom in and look at this corner. This window is unlocked and wide open. If you zoom right in there and show that crack, wide open. And watch what happens when I drop the lock, it pulls it in tight. So this is a spot that you want to check in your home for places that the window may be left open. It could be in a part of the home where you don't go a lot. It could be with something that the kids use, but I guarantee you're going to find some sort of open windows. So look behind your window treatments and I will show you the second most common place where you're going to find that your windows are wide open and you're just leaking money out. Okay, this is the second place that you're going to find your windows are open, and it's in a guest room, a place where other people are using your home. So come check this out. One of these windows over here is wide open. I bet you can't guess which one it is. So if you come in, same thing. The window is unlocked and this gap is wide open, just letting air in. So all that has to be done is crank it and pull the lock. And so that's my number one tip for making sure you get your money's worth out of your new windows, is make sure they're operating as they should. And the two places to look for places behind window treatments and in your guest rooms, maybe your kids' rooms. So hopefully you will circle around your house, find that there's nothing wrong, but just in case you do, make sure that those windows are latched tight, they'll stay safe and secure and energy efficient. If you have any questions and we can help you, don't hesitate to reach out to us.